Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and another new low, and just to establish some context here, this is one of these charts that I feel like now this thing just can't go up. Like literally all it can do is go down. And usually when I start to feel like that, and I think probably a lot of other people are just like, all right, this chart, all it does is go down. Usually that means the bounce is around the corner. Now, I'm saying that half jokingly. I'm not guaranteed that some big bounce is coming. But yeah, you know what? Usually when people from a psychology standpoint start to think that, all right, this stock is never going to go back up. Usually that's where things maybe kind of just turned around. So if there is going to be any sort of turnaround though, and this is where the first update comes into play, and this update is just based on a foundational rule and chart in which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So to the point, if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile, bigger movement, then it all, starts with whether or not the price can break up above the $6.90 mark. So keep a close eye on that. And then the other overarching area that you'll want to watch from the resistance side of things is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which if you go back through the history of the chart has been an extremely annoying level. I mean, you can see right there, rejected the price. Didn't quite hit it, but close enough, rejected the price. Right there, rejected the price. So just keep a close eye on that, and that's why I say that, like I said, if there is going to be any sort of bigger type bounce, 690 and then that 50-period moving average are going to be very important levels. As far as the support standpoint is concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. The bleeding essentially stopped today right down there at the $6 mark. Now, yes, I realize the price did temporarily go below there, but that didn't last very long, and then the price quickly snapped back above it. So $6, at least in my opinion, is going to be that main and key level of support moving forward. But all in all, we'll see what happens with it. Showing a little bit of strength here, but we'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.